M9 22 is an exact replica of the M9 in 22 caliber and features the same operation, controls, and takedown as the venerable Beretta M9 9mm. The pistol is made in Germany by Umarex for Beretta. The gun comes with a small plastic carrying case and one magazine. Additional magazines can be purchased from Beretta. The barrel of this gun is 5 inches long, enhancing accuracy at longer distances. Takedown and reassembly is easy and identical to the 9mm. .22 rounds smoothly and consistently chamber into battery. I have over 1,000 rounds in this pistol and it hasn't stovepiped or jammed on me yet. This is also an excellent training tool if you own any of the Beretta 92 series or Taurus PT 92 or 99 models. In conclusion, in my opinion, I would say this pistol is one of the best 22 semi-autos on the market today, under $400. Beretta M9 22 gets a 2 thumbs up from this shooter.